Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Asus ROG G22CH, a compact gaming PC that promises big performance in a small package. Let's explore whether this gaming rig lives up to its promises. The Asus ROG G22CH boasts a sleek, all-black design with customizable RGB lighting strips that add a touch of personality. It resembles a wider version of the Xbox Series X, making it visually appealing for any gaming setup. Despite its compact size, the build quality feels robust. The case is well constructed with attention to detail, featuring a tool-free design for easy access to internals. However, its small form factor limits future upgradability, which is something to consider for long-term use. Powered by an Intel i9 to 13900 kFarads CPU and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, the ROG G22CH delivers outstanding performance. It handles native 1440p gaming with ease and can even upscale to 4K using DLSS technology, making it versatile for both current and future gaming needs. In our benchmarks, the ROG G22CH excelled across the board. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Red Dead Redemption 2 ran smoothly at high frame rates, showcasing its capability to handle graphically demanding titles without compromise. This gaming PC offers a decent array of ports including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and audio jacks, ensuring compatibility with various peripherals and devices. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 enhances its connectivity options for wireless gaming and networking. Setting up the ROG G22CH is straightforward, thanks to its well-positioned ports and user-friendly design. However, the limited number of USB-C ports might be a consideration for users with multiple modern devices. Given its compact size, efficient cooling is crucial for the ROG G22CH. It offers both fan and liquid cooling options, but during intensive tasks, the fans can get notably loud. This might be a concern for users sensitive to noise levels, especially during extended gaming sessions. In our tests, the cooling system managed temperatures well under load, ensuring stable performance without thermal throttling. Asus has designed it with adequate ventilation on all sides, contributing to its overall reliability under stress. Overall, if you're in the market for a compact gaming PC that doesn't compromise on performance, the Asus ROG G22CH is a solid choice. It's ideal for gamers who prioritize space efficiency without sacrificing gaming prowess. That concludes our deep dive into the Asus ROG G22CH. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time on Product Critique, happy gaming!